Well, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Doing a vlog today, headed out to Shasta. Got my brother Johnny right here in the back. Doing a scout trip for Good Ink. Planning a trip here pretty soon. So I'm just making my way through the area, planning out the trip, trying to see how, how it goes, how it looks in the winter, and gonna get some bangers, get some videos, have a good time up here in Shasta. A lot of snow, as you can see, snowed recently. So it's looking amazing, and I'm excited to get out here and explore. So yeah, enjoy the video. Whew, man, we just made it through here to Lake Siskiyou. Had to hike. Oh, you can see Shasta there in the back. Had to do a pretty crazy hike through well over a foot of snow. It is thick out here right now. I think we underestimated it just a little bit, but it's worth it. The view here is incredible. It's been a great trip so far. Got one more spot we want to check out, and then that'll be it. But the conditions are amazing. Shasta's looking beautiful. And we've been able to get some cool stuff. So yeah, it's been good so far. So that is a wrap for this trip. Beautiful trip overall, super successful. Was able to scout the area. Really excited for the Good Ink trip coming up very soon. Keep an eye out for that. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. Shasta was amazing today. Appreciate you guys checking out the vlog. Shout out to Johnny. Peace out, y'all.